My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called DigitalSection. DigitalSection is a special adware designed specifically for Mac computers. This adware is from the adload family. It operates as a typical adware. In other words, it runs pretty intrusive advertisement campaigns. Adware actually stands for Advertising Supported Software, and this is exactly what DigitalSection application is. It shows advertisements on various interfaces. For instance, visited websites, desktops, and so on. These advertisements promote online scams, untrustworthy or even harmful software, and even malware. Some intrusive advertisements are capable of performing stealthy downloads and installations upon being clicked. So, if you have seen this DigitalSection adware in your Mac computer, go to your applications. When you find this application, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also strongly advise that you carefully research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.